Hello kids, good morning all of you, and today I hope all of you get your result, all of you get your report card, and hope all of you get good marks. Okay, all the best children. Now your previous session up to half yearly examination, your previous session syllabus ended. Now move to the next syllabus. Okay, in the next syllabus, have you seen the syllabus children? Which chapter in your next syllabus? Yes, Nina is the winner. In the next syllabus, the first chapter is Nina is the winner. Have you read this story? Previous day we had learned the story, and I hope that you just practice it. You just practice the reading habit of that story. In that story, children, there is a story of a girl, Nina, and her friend Medha. Okay, and how did the Nina get the trophy? How did Nina get the best student school award? If you read the story, then you will clear the story, the summary of the story. Nina is very honest and very good in her. Nina just done the performance and with proper moral duties, and finally the chief guest awarded the Nina with the best student award, best student of the school award. And children, previous day I have I told you to collect some hard words of the story. Do you collect it? And I hope you will collect that hard words. The first word, children, that I have collected the hard words is excited. E-X-C-I-T-E-D. Excited. What is the meaning of excited? Excited means feeling very happy. If you feel very happy, then this is the meaning of excited. Now the next word is performance. P-E-R-F-O-R-M-A-N-C-E. Performance. This is performance. Then performance is the meaning what the works you do. क्या कार्य आप करते हो और उसमें how you present yourself. That is performance. Okay, performance means कार्य का performance. Okay, work performance. That is the performance. Now next word is decorated. In that story, the next word is decorated. D-E-C-O-R-A-T-E-D. Decorated. What is the meaning of decorated? You are very familiar with that word. Decorated means साज सजावट. साज सजावट or ornamented, or you may say that beautified. Okay, decorated means beautified. If you decorate your, suppose there is a cake and you have decorated that cake, आपने पूरे केक को सजाया है, that is the decoration. means आपने beautify किया, आपने केक को beautiful बनाया, that is decorated. Now one more word is ahead. A-H-E-A-D. Ahead. Ahead means आगे. Okay, ahead means besides Medha and Nina, one girl that is behind Medha. Okay, so first winner of the story is Nina, because Nina is ahead of all the participants in the story. Okay, ahead means आगे. Now the more word is chief. C-H-I-E-F. Chief. Chief means मुख्य. Chief. What is the meaning of chief? Chief means मुख्य. Okay, main. Okay, so then we will say that chief guest. A chief guest Then chief is the mukhya and guest is the atithi. Chief guest means mukhya atithi. The next word, that is annual. ANNUAL. Children, have you done annual examination? In school, annual examination, annual means varshik. A period of 1 year. Okay, the works that held in a period of 1 year, that is annual. Next word is confident. 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 Confident means believe in yourself. Okay. Atma Vishwas. If you do any work with confident, with believe in yourself, then your works will be success. Then you will be success. So confidently do any work in your life. Winner. 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 Winner is a successful. अगर हम किसी चीज में विन करते हैं और विनर बन जाते हैं, विजयता प्राप्त करते हैं, दैट इट इज द सक्सेस प्राप्त करते हैं, वी विल गेट सक्सेस इन लाइफ, देन इट विल बिकम विनर. नाउ वन मोर इज arrived. 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 Okay. Arrived means पहुंचना. Arrived means पहुंचना. ARRIVED. Arrived means पहुंचना. Okay. This is the hard words of the chapter. Nina is the winner. Now move to listen the story carefully. Not only listen the story, but also just take your glance, take your mind on the pronunciation of each and every word, how I spell it. Okay? And you try it at your home, how to read that paragraph clearly. Children, I have told you, previously I have told you, and even this time I told you that just read the story very carefully, because in the half yearly examination I have given you some of the question, many of the question, not only some of the question, many of the question from the mid of the story. Why? मैं इसलिए देती हूँ क्योंकि आप रीडिंग करें. Okay, if you read the story very well, then you can give the any type of answer of the questions clearly. Okay, children, just read the story. Okay, and listen my video and clear your doubts. If you have any problem, then send me on WhatsApp and recorded voice so that I can clear your doubt. Okay, children, listen the story. Let's begin the story. Now, let's begin the story. Nina is the winner. Nina was very excited as the next day annual sports competition was going to be held. Nina was very excited because in her school next day there is a celebration of annual sports competition. Okay, and was going to be held in her school. Where the competition was going to be held? The competition was going to be held in her school. Nina had given her name for 100-meter race. Race of 100 meter. It was the race of 100 meter. Okay. Nina had given her name for 100-meter race. She was confident that she would be the winner. She was confident. Spelling of confident, CONFIDENT. Confident. Confident means she was believe in herself. उसे अपने आप पे विश्वास था. She was confident that she would be the winner. वो winner बनेगी. What is the meaning of winner? WINNER means winner of the game. Now next paragraph. Nina's best friend was Medha. Who is the best friend of Nina's? Nina's best friend was Medha. What is the name of her best friend? Medha. She is Medha. She was also a good runner. She was also a good runner. This sports competition was going to be special because the principal had announced that a trophy would also be awarded to the best student of the school. स्पोर्ट्स कंपटीशन वॉज गोइंग टू बी स्पेशल. स्पोर्ट्स कंपटीशन जो स्कूल में होने वाला था वो बहुत ही स्पेशल था. क्यों था? क्योंकि प्रिंसिपल ने ये भी अनाउंस किया था दैट ट्रॉफी उनको भी मिलेगा. अवॉर्डेड ट्रॉफी वुड ऑल्सो बी अवॉर्डेड टू द, उनको भी मिलेगा, उनको भी अवार्ड दिया जाएगा जो बेस्ट स्टूडेंट ऑफ द स्कूल होंगे. ओके, सिर्फ स्पोर्ट्स में ही, स्पोर्ट्स कंपटीशन ही नहीं, इसके अलावा जो बेस्ट स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ द स्कूल होंगे उनको भी प्रिंसिपल हैज अनाउंस टू गिव द ट्रॉफी. नाउ एवरीवन इन द स्कूल seemed very excited. So every student of the school is very excited to know about the trophy. That trophy is also awarded to the student, best student of the school. So everyone was very excited. The school ground was beautifully decorated. Beautifully decorated. Decorated means साज सजावट, सजाया गया था. Beautifully decorated or ornamented. Meaning decorated means ornamented, सजाया गया. The chief guest. What is the meaning of chief? CHIEF. Chief. Chief कहते हैं जिनको, जो मुख्य होते हैं. ओके. Then chief guest, जो मुख्य गेस्ट थे, मुख्य अतिथि थे. The chief guest had already arrived. Arrived means पहुंच गए थे. चीफ गेस्ट जो थे, मुख्य अतिथि, वो ऑलरेडी वो पहुंच गए थे. The parents had also come to watch the performance of their children. If you play in any types of competition, then your parents was allowed to come visit to the school premises. Like that, the parents had also come to watch the performance of their children. Nina and Medha were waiting for the race to start. Nina and Medha wait कर रहे थे, इंतजार कर रहे थे किस चीज की? For what? For the race to start. When will the race will begin? कब शुरू होगा रेस? After the chief guest speech. चीफ गेस्ट ने वहां कुछ स्पीच दिया, कुछ भाषण. स्पीच मीन्स भाषण दिए. द 100-meter रेस वॉज अनाउंस्ड. ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स टुक देयर पोजिशंस. सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स जो हैं वो अपने अपने पोजीशन में आ गए. एंड स्टार्टेड रनिंग एज सून एज द सिग्नल वॉज गिवन. नीना ग्रेजुअली पिक्ड स्पीड. ग्रेजुअली मीन्स स्लोली एंड स्लोली. नीना पहले तो बहुत धीरे धीरे दौड़ना शुरू की, फिर क्या हुआ? फिर वो पिक्ड स्पीड, यानी वो फिर स्पीड पकड़ लिया उसने. शी वॉज रनिंग अहेड ऑफ ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स. नीना जो है वो सारे पार्टिसिपेंट से आगे दौड़ रही थी. अहेड मीन्स रनिंग अहेड, सभी से आगे. ओके, अहेड मीन्स आगे. एंड जस्ट बिहाइंड हर was her best friend Medha. और उसके जस्ट पीछे कौन थी? उनकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड मेधा. Now next what happened? See the pictures. What will happen in this picture? She is, who is she? The girl that just put her hand on other girl. What is, who is she? She is Nina. And the girl that is fall down on the ground, that is Medha's. Okay, her best friend, Nina's best friend. And this is the girl of the 3rd rank. Okay, नीना दौड़ में फर्स्ट सबसे आगे थी, देन मेधा थी, और मेधा के पीछे दिस वाज द गर्ल. ओके, ये गर्ल थी शी. नाउ जस्ट व्हेन दे वर गोइंग टू रीच द फिनिशिंग पॉइंट, जैसे ही ये लोग फिनिशिंग पॉइंट मीन्स बाउंड्री लाइन. ओके, the if you were in any competition then there will be a क्या होता है, एक फिनिशिंग पॉइंट होता है. मेधा sprained her ankle and fell down on the ground. मेधा sprained her ankle. sprain means एक पेन. ओके, उनके एंकल में, एंकल पे एक दर्द शुरू हुआ और मेधा जो है लड़खड़ा के क्या हुई, गिर गई. fell down on the ground. Nina saw her falling down. She felt confused whether to stop to help her dear friends. नीना बहुत ही कंफ्यूज थी. नीना ने ऐसा felt means महसूस किया, थोड़ा कंफ्यूज. whether means वो क्या करे, to stop to help क्या वो उसकी मदद करे, और her dear best friend, or to run for the first prize, और वो भाग के दौड़ के सबसे आगे फर्स्ट प्राइज विन कर ले. शी थॉट फॉर अ सेकेंड एंड टर्न बैक. थोड़े सेकेंड्स तक वो सोची, कुछ सोचा उसने, एंड जस्ट सडन शी टर्न बैक टू हेल्प हर फ्रेंड. उसने मूव बैक हो गई, उसने अपनी फ्रेंड्स की मदद करने. द गर्ल हु वॉज जस्ट बिहाइंड मेधा क्रॉस द फिनिशिंग पॉइंट. और मेधा के पीछे जो थर्ड रैंक जो गर्ल्स थी, वो क्या हुआ, उसने फिनिशिंग पॉइंट को क्रॉस कर लिया. क्योंकि दोनों फ्रेंड्स तो है, एक तो गिरे पड़े थे और दूसरी फ्रेंड जो है उसकी मदद करने में लगे हुए थे, तो थर्ड जो थी वो विनर बन गई. एंड दिस गॉट द फर्स्ट पोजीशन. बट नीना वॉज नॉट बॉदर्ड अबाउट द प्राइज. बट नीना जो है प्राइस के बारे में बिना सोचे हुए, बिना परेशान हुए वो क्या की, शी वॉज वरीड अबाउट हर फ्रेंड. She was worried about her friend. Medha's ankle was swollen and she was in great pain. Medha's का ankle जो था वो swollen means फुला हुआ. Okay, it's become swollen. airy and she was in great pain. और बहुत ही दर्द उसे फील हो रहा था. Some of the teachers also came to help Medha and took her to the medical room. Now what happened? At the time of prize distribution, what will happen? Children, do you know? The chief guest called Nina to the stage and asked her, "Dear, you were just near the finishing point." गेस्ट ने, मुख्य अतिथि ने क्या कहा नीना से पूछा कि डियर, यू वेर जस्ट नियर द फिनिशिंग पॉइंट. तुम तो बिल्कुल फिनिशिंग पॉइंट के नजदीक पहुंच चुकी थी, वहां से प्राइज को कोई नहीं ले सकता था, आप ही लेती. देन एंड वुड हैव स्टूड फर्स्ट प्राइज. व्हाई डिड यू स्टॉप एंड लूज योर चांस? आपने स्टॉप क्यों हो गई और अपना चांस जीतने का, फर्स्ट प्राइज का जो चांस था वो छोड़ क्यों दिया, लूज क्यों किया? एंड लूज योर चांस टू विन द फर्स्ट प्राइज. Nina replied, "Sir, Medha is my best friend. She was in trouble." उसने रिप्लाइड क्या किया नीना ने कि मेधा मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है और वह मुश्किलों में है. The prize can be won next year also. Children, if you have any talent, then you would be the winner anytime, anywhere in your life. The prize, so Nina tell them that the prize can be won next year. प्राइज तो दूसरे साल भी जीता जा सकता है. But it was my moral duty. यह हमारा नैतिक कार्य बनता है. To help my friend during her difficult time. The chief guest and the other listeners were much impressed. चीफ गेस्ट जो थे, मुख्य अतिथि, और दूसरे सुनने वाले श्रोता लोग जो थे वो बहुत ही इम्प्रेस हुए, बहुत प्रभावित हुए. किनसे? नीना के सेंस ऑफ ड्यूटी से. तो नीना ने अपना कार्य बड़े ही ईमानदारी से किया. Okay. Nina lost the race, but the principal awarded her the best student trophy. In spite of Nina's lost the race, lost the chance of prize, Nina is awarded by best student trophy. All the students, teachers and guests clapped for Nina. Yes, children, we have to clap for Nina, because Nina is a perfect girl for the story, and because she has done her moral duty to her best friend. So children, if you have any types of this type of doubts, then first you have to do your moral duties. Okay, because moral duty is best for us. We have to do the moral duty, and after that all the works will be happening. Okay, thank you children, and come to the next exercise part. Thank you.